So MindMeister have been busy recently. They released MindMeister 2, and in today's video we're just going to shortly overview some of the latest updates to this platform. Now, if you don't know, Meister Labs is a company that is creating very much like ZenKit really. They're creating a suite of productivity applications. They have MindMeister, Meister Task and Meister Note, which is more recent, and we reviewed it recently here on the channel. So they've got a brand new design and look for MindMeister. It's in their second version apparently, and it does look a lot cleaner. So on the right hand side you have a new toolbar in which you can do a range of different things with, for example, add new elements, add more interactive elements. And also they've upgraded the way that themes can be accessed as well. So you can change the way that your structure of your mind maps look as well, which is something that for many people that are getting started with mind mapping, it's actually a no-brainer and something that can really help you to structurally organize an account. So the themes are definitely a huge upgrade. Now, more recently I checked out ClickUp's new whiteboard function, and they explained how dramatic the new sort of whiteboard market is in terms of where it expects to grow. I think there was a Grail Insights article or bit of research that was really insightful about how large the market would grow to, and it was definitely in the billions, which is crazy by 2025. And as you can imagine, I think MindMeister are realizing that more collaborative mind mapping experiences are probably going to be more popular in the future. Now, as you can imagine, they've also added changes to their emoji as well, and they've changed the general look of how everything works, including text, media, and they've also introduced something called connections, which allows you to build better relationships between your existing sort of nodes that you create, so you can connect them up. Now, as you can imagine, it does make it for an easier experience, and this is one of the more easy to get started with mind mapping experiences out there. But I recommend checking out Simpletivity because he does some great content and comparing these resources to others. They've also got a new something called outline mode, which essentially takes your mind map and turns it into a more document-like experience, outlining all of the key areas that you're covering, and even follows the sort of org maps or lists or however you've structured each of the mind maps itself and all of the little nodes that come off it. So that's a great addition and something that obviously a lot of people will like. So that was a short overview on MindMeister 2. Hopefully you found this useful. If you are new here, you can check out more content here on Keep Productive. And if you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit the like button. I'm Francesco, and it's been a pleasure showing you around MindMeister 2 and some of their more recent updates.